Windows 10 creates temporary files while you use certain apps, such as Microsoft Word, to improve your experience. However, your PC can create hundreds of temporary files in a day, which may fill up your hard drive. If you have a document open in Microsoft Word, a temporary copy of that document is created every few minutes. I will show you how to clear temporary files from your PC using Disk Cleanup, the Settings app, and simple commands in the Run dialog. But before that, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell icon to get computer tech videos on your feed. Let's begin. Method 1. Using Disk Cleanup. Open Disk Cleanup. You can search Disk Cleanup in the search bar in the taskbar and click the first result, which is the app. This is the easiest and least involved method for cleaning up temporary files on your Windows 10 computer. You can also press the Windows key +S to open the search function if you can't find it in the taskbar. Click to check the boxes next to Temporary Internet Files and Temporary Files. You'll see how much space they will free up along the right side of the columns. Suggested boxes to delete are checked by default. You can leave these checked and delete these files, or you can click to uncheck the box and not delete these files. Click Delete Files. Click OK to confirm the action when a box pops up. When you continue, that box will disappear and you'll see a progress bar of the deletion, which will disappear when it's done. Method 2. Using Settings. Open your Windows settings. You can click on the Start icon and then the gear to open Settings. Click System. It's a computer icon. Click Storage. This is near the bottom of the menu on the left. Click the drive where Windows 10 is installed. It usually has a Windows logo over the drive icon and might be called This PC. Click Temporary Files. The number here represents how much space the temporary files are taking up. The next page shows you all the files that are considered temporary files, including files in the Downloads folder, files in the recycling bin, and thumbnails. Click to check the boxes next to the files you want to delete. Click Remove Files. You'll see a progress bar of the deletion. Method 3. Clearing temporary files manually. Press Windows +R to open the Run box. This is the most involved method of clearing your temporary files. Type %temp% in the Run box and press Enter. You'll be directed to the folder that contains all the temporary files. Select all files and folders. You can click the first file, press and hold Shift, and click the last file, or you can click the first file and press Ctrl+A to select them all. Right-click anywhere in the file and click Delete. You will need an administrator account to do this. All those files are moved into the recycle bin and can be restored if needed. Some of these files can't delete because it runs in background. That's all for today. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you never miss my new video. So, see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.